Okay guys, we're here at Ram Lumber. It used to be Pike Hardware Store. We're going to go in there and see if they got any new case knives or whatnot. So, hey, how you doing, man? Well, thank you. Well, they got a new display case. I don't see anything I'd be interested in. These prices are probably through the roof. Ain't gonna be no deals. No deals in here today. Bone stag sawbusters look good. It's antique smooth bone, 63.18. There's a gray bone, 63.18. Stag peanut, bone stag stockman. There's an antique smooth bone trapper. I really like them fixed blades, but if that was a black blade right there, I'd buy it. That thing is nice. They used to have some Oppenel. All right, look at Victorinox down there. Look at that, $25. Oppenel. I really don't see anything I have to live without though. Purple. Nothing here today, guys. They just got that case display in there, so I'm glad to see that. They didn't have that the last time I was in here, but they didn't change hands. They used to be a Pike Depot Hardware, but now they're Ram Lumber out here on Highway 19, right south of Zebulon. Cool store. Okay, guys, I'm up here at the pawn shop in Thomaston, Georgia. Cash King. Y'all come see him, Steve and Sean. What's up, guys?
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. Y'all got any new stuff?
I think they might be some
Okay.
stuff back there. I ain't-
I've got some knives to show you too. Some Z McCarty on the phone. They done moved everything down.
They got them all in one thing.
Yeah, I see that. That's
I'm trying to kill Trump. Why? His dog. Oh, his dog. Okay. Yeah, gone. I didn't even know that. But it has a blueprint to her house and everything. Well, I don't understand Trump. All this damn money he got down the world. Why do he want to get into all politics and all that bullshit? That don't make sense, man. Yeah, they really only motor rich stuff gonna get in like good. Power. It ain't about the money, it's about the power. He don't take no. He uses his charity every time he gets.
nice little case right there now. Huh.
It used to be $220. That's all they got paid.
A couple of side busters. I want to see
Me
that.
and Howard were best friends.
I want to see that orange one down there. It looks like a case. See it right there? It's on the bottom shelf. It's orange right there. It's right back there toward the back. Right back there by that flashlight. That's it. Ain't that a case?
Yeah, that's the case.
That's bone too. That
Blade's
blade's been whittled down some.
I'm not sure now, no quote. But I think it's locked up in the safe.
That's pretty. It's a 2001.
Jackie's last name? Don't know. She's blind.
Might be Indian paintbrush. What's best you can do on it?
What's the best you can do on this one?
We got a policy cloth cases.
39.
Ain't much on them cases. Which one?
Well,
Where'd it come from? Bottom?
Bottom.
30.
30? Oh, I'll do that.
You want it?
I'll do that.
Polishing cloth, Steve.
Okay.
All right.
Sure.
Good deal.
Now the ones up top. Now the you got some side busters down here. Let me see the ages. I don't know if I'm the yellow one. Let me see it. And there's a little bitty Barlow right there. What is not the bar? Yeah, looks like a right there.
That one?
The small one. Let me see that one.
That one there? There's two of them in there. One of them.
That's a 2000.
I don't know what they are. Got a number on them.
Huh.
Got a number on them.
Oh, it is on
There's 3 or 4 of them,
frogs. Camel bone.
198. Must be some kind of set. They all got
It must
198
have.
on them.
Okay, buddy. Let's see. 2009. Do 20 on it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that then. That's 50. 50 bucks. I think it is.
Tight. That's a case.
Yeah, that's in the red, the
5
red
star.
one.
What is it? 5 stars or something?
That's 5 stars. That's a 2015 probably.
Yeah, it looks like 5. 3, 3, 4, 5. So little I can't all see it.
Yeah, yes. So them two. 50. I think that's gonna be it, my friend. What y'all got on the Oppenel right there? The green one. That's been in here a while. That's been in here a while, ain't it?
29.
Let's see. I got so many of these things. I appreciate it, buddy. Now, what is that one? That's never mind. That's
That one?
no, sir. One right beside it. But what is that? A brown?
kind of
No, it's a
real
real tree. Okay,
Real tree.
I got you. That's stag. I don't see anything else, man. Steve, right?
Yep.
Yes. I get you and Sean mixed up with your names because they both start with an S. Now, that's a big old side buster. I missed it. The black one right there. See it?
Oh, no. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. Right beside it, but I didn't see it. Or right behind it.
Do 20 on it?
What we got on there? Yeah.
All right, that's 70.
70.
All right, I got cash too. Cash is king around here. Ain't it?
What we like.
Okay, guys. Cash King Gun and Pawn. Y'all come see them. Mr. Steve and Mr. Sean. They'll hook you up with anything. Guns, knives, anything they got in there. They'll give you a deal. Remember, cash is king at Cash and King Pawn and Gun in Thomaston, Georgia. Okay, guys, here are the knives I picked up there at Cash and King in Thomaston, Georgia. This one right here looks brand new. It's a side buster. 2138 is the pattern. 2 is for the black composition here. But look at that. Blade ain't never been used. Gave 20 bucks for it. That was a good buy right there now. And then this one here looks good. The blade looks good. It's actually a 2009. Gave 20 bucks for it. There's a 21 or 31, 37. 3 is for the yellow composition. 1 is for the number of blades, and 37 is for the Sodbuster Junior. That's CV steel right there. Very nice, ain't it? I'm gonna clean it up. It's got a little bit of a pin crack right there. But this one here, guys, is an Indian paintbrush, the best that I can tell. I gave 30 for it. They had 39 on it. This main blade looks really good, but it is a 2000 2001. Okay, I'm thinking about cutting this thing apart, either making a single blade or changing out this spade blade. I think I have a stainless spade blade that I can replace this one, because they must have used the crap out of this knife here, or this blade. See, that's something, ain't it? But look at there. It's got a little crack there, a fissure right there. That might be a fissure as well. Yeah, that's not a crack at all. See there? But we're gonna sand it all down, guys, here soon, and make this thing be beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna make it a single blade or put another spade blade in there, but we're gonna cut it all apart and do that. I might be able to just cut these 2 pins and put that extra spade blade in there. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I got a great deal on these 3 knives. $70. Can't beat that. Especially this one here. That's $20 right there. Great knife. I love the sod buster, guys. It was my first knife when I was 7 years old back in 1977. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But if y'all in the area, stop in at the pawn shop up there at Cash and King. See Mr. Steve and Sean. They'll make you a good deal. But remember, cash is king. That's all I'm going to say. They're just great guys. They really are. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Wasn't much to it. I was up there in the area, and I stopped by that Pike Hardware. It used to be Pike Hardware. Now it's Ram Lumber or something like that. But they got a case display in there, and they got the Opinel. So it's always fun to stop in there, because you never know what they got. But there it is right there, guys. I think that was a find of the day. Brand new for $20. And this one here is an Indian paintbrush. It's going to look good when I get done with it as well. This is a 2001. Very cool for $30. It's going to be worth a whole lot more when I get done. And then this one here is pretty cool. CV Steel. Guys, gave $20 for it, so $70 total. Not too bad at all for a little quick knife hunt. Well, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I just want to say thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
We interrupt regular programming with breaking news. Reports are coming in from across the nation that multiple power stations supplying major American knife manufacturing facilities were destroyed overnight.
Report.
Operation Blackout successful.
American knife production has ceased. Confirmed.
Location of the knife doctor.
Unknown.
Explain.
We have tracked Tony the Scout, Deepwater Wade, and Professor Blades.
Location of the knife doctor.
Unknown.
Find him.
It will be done.